Today we're making jalapeno brined pork chops with an apple and jalapeno relish on the Blackstone. So I have already brined 3 bone-in pork chops, and you can get the full recipe for the brine at ifyougivagirlagrill.com. I patted them dry. I'm going to season with the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning and also the Blackstone honey jalapeno seasoning. And you really don't need salt when you brine. There is a little bit of salt in that all-purpose seasoning, but I'm using that kind of lightly. These are looking fabulous. I'm going to set them right here. We're going to dice an apple and some jalapenos. I'm going to go ahead and leave the skin on the apple. And this is a Honeycrisp apple, but a Granny Smith apple I feel like would be really good too. For the jalapenos, you can choose to leave the seeds in. I'm going to take most of them out. Just depends on how spicy you like. Do olive oil on the entire griddle. You can use any sort of cooking oil that you like. Apple and jalapeno down on one side. Maybe take those off first. And then I'm going to do just a little bit of salt and pepper on the apple and jalapeno relish. And the pork chops down on the other side of the griddle, and I set my timer because they're so easy to dry out. Sizzle, 3 minutes per side. And just kind of mix around the apples and jalapenos a few times with your spatulas. Oh, it looks so good. Yes. Oh. This has about 2 minutes left, so to the apples, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Apple and jalapeno relish right over top. I'm going to garnish with just a little bit of fresh thyme. Do you want to taste test with me? He didn't want to cook, but he wants to taste it. No, I'm kidding. It's fine. That's a very big bite. Cheers.
Yeah, you can get that spice. That's good.